What are the top warning signs for homeowners? Usually the things that they miss. So more detail on this. What are the most common issues that show up in South Texas home? Because we gotta be specific, right? Yeah. We gotta know where they're located. So since the business is here in South Texas and until down here in McAllen Mission, so what are the things that uh, commonly or warning signs that most homeowners miss, especially the ones that owners tend to overlook until it's too late. Like, oh man. So yeah, go ahead, please.
The biggest thing is gonna be, wear and tear items, and, on the roof, your wear and tear items are obviously gonna be shingles, that's the most obvious, but then also wood rot when, rain comes in, and it's the same thing here in San Antonio. We either get a little bit of rain or we get a lot. So when we get a little bit of rain, you don't notice it. When we do get a lot of rain over time, you'll start to see wood rot along the eave of the house, your 1x2 and fascia and soffit areas. Those are areas that are very common. And also soil erosion around the foundation of the home. Down there where you guys are, you don't see a lot of gutters on houses. Up here, you do see a lot of gutters on houses, but at the same time, gutters are essential for any home to protect the foundation. So if I was to say have my top three, number one would be the foundation, making sure that there's gutters around the house and protecting the foundation of the house. I call those things the plumbing of the house. Two is going to be the eaves, soffit, 1x2, drip edge, things like that. A lot of roofs are out of code, so one of the things that's specific to that is your international roofing codes, IRC, international roofing codes changed in 2019. So whenever I come in to do an inspection, that's the first thing I look at as I look at the drip edge to see if the roof is actually in code. You'll start to see wood rot, and if there's wood rot, then that typically means that there's going to be some water damage underneath the shingles.
Awesome. It's been fun talking to you, bro. Like we're gonna do this podcast once a week for people to know about the business and more of like how to take care of their houses. Those tips.
I'm looking forward to it, man. I'm really looking forward to it. It's always a blessing, and it's great to get the content out here to see if we can, help people and make people aware of what their options are, and give people choices and empower them. One of my slogans every time I speak to a homeowner is always, "I'm not here to sell your roof. I'm here to teach you how to exercise your rights through the policy and the process that you pay for, which is your insurance."
Man Carter, CEO, owner, founder of Steel Country Home Restorations. Final thoughts, final message to our viewers.
Yeah. Hey, just grateful to be in the space and the place. We're here. We can be located in San Antonio or the lower valley, McAllen, Edinburgh, San Juan Far, Brownsville. We also do a little bit of work up in the Austin area, just branching out. And we want to make sure that we're in the space and doing good work and being a good representative of the stewardship, the things that the Most High has given us, and here to make a difference in the community. So always grateful, glad to be here, and look forward to having more opportunities to come in and share stories to make things better.